Welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how I replaced this fence. And if you're wondering what the heck happened to my face, well, that vine did. But that's not super important, but we'll get into that a little bit later. So let me show you how I did that and how you can do it too. Let's get it. Alrighty, welcome to a video. I am doing some work on this fence over here with Buddy. Look at that. So all of these kind of slanted down. You can see. They're all like this, all slanted down because there was a big old tree that fell on this fence. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's straight and then it dipped, and then this part back here, see that right there? It got smashed, and then smashed as well, and then there's a bunch of debris back there. So we're gonna fix it.
Fix it.
Fix it, that's right. So I think the idea here that I just figured out, and I guess why I'm filming, is to take these boards off of it, and then I'll put a new board across there that's straight, and then put everything back up. So I think it'll work. Alright, we got all the things off. Now, I think the idea is to just put this back in because it's not broken. I'm going to put it back in and then screw it back in, and then I'm going to put a long one on top of there. I think I'm just going to literally put it on top, just because this one actually keeps going that way. And this one... Oh, yeah, I'm okay, thank you. And this one stops right there. But I think if I just put one on top, then I don't have to deal with that one as well. Another option is to cut it there, replace that. So I'm gonna see, and we'll see what it looks like. So let's get. We got some screws. Now I just wanted to see if this, so we had some extra wood over here from the gate renovation, which you can go check that out. It's on the channel, but I'm gonna take one of these and see if it fits. Oh no.
But that's okay.
I don't know if it's gonna work if it's almost. Dang it, it's so close. Let's do bedtime and then I'll be back. Alright, none of those worked out, but I got one 2x4 in the garage. And I think this one is much bigger. Oh yeah. There we go. I think that's not bad. Just don't flame me for doing that. And I need to get so this area back here is not my property. It's actually Walmart's property, supposedly. Either Walmart's or the complex, the neighborhood. No one lives back there, it's just literally a path to Walmart. So, I don't know, but I need to get it cleaned out or something. I just don't want to pay for it to get cleaned out, but those are the trees that broke my window, or one of the trees that broke my window, which is that window there, which I actually have a video on that as well if you ever have a window broken, and it's old. I fixed it. So now we're just going to put the stuff back up. So let's get it. Alrighty. We got a lot of it done, but I'm getting eaten out alive here, and look at my magic. It's coming along good. It's coming along good. So we have 4 more posts there, 5. So should be all good there. But I'll come back, finish tomorrow. So see y'all then. Welcome back. Got a few more things to do, so let's get it before the mosquitoes eat me alive. I've been at it for like 30 minutes and we got 2 left, and I gotta get some more nails too, so we will go to Home Depot. It'll be my first trip, which is crazy. 1 trip for a project? Boy, let's go. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in a sec. So we got the stuff pretty much done. I had one little board to replace over there on the other fence that my wife just pointed out to me yesterday. You don't have to see that. Let's just take a look at the finished product. Now that you've seen finished fence, I think it looks really good. I ended up changing these boards here because, so these here were just closer in color to the ones that existed, and since we're getting photos done of the house to sell it, I didn't want the new cedar, which you can tell is over there, to be here, and it would just stick out like a sore thumb. So I decided just to move some over there, and there's a little bit of different color there, but overall it looks more natural, and so that's what I wanted to go for, and that's the way that it is. It looks great. You know, you can't tell that someone touched it unless you're a keen eye. And the gate looks fine too. It's obviously not the best, could be better, but yeah, overall happy with the project and happy with everything going on. So there is one more thing. If you like a full build, I'm trying to get this photo in the back. Oh, there you go, but you can't see my face. But if you like a full build, go check out the home office build. It's super sick, and I work in there every single day. And I did this project last year with Build Tough, but it's a super fun project, and actually it was pretty easy. Sorry, I'm all blown out, but there's a little sneak peek. Go check it out on the channel. I'll link to it here, and make sure you subscribe. So, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that is a vine, destroyed my face, my body, and it's poison ivy, you know? And I didn't know what it was. I've heard of poison ivy, but I never seen it in person, so it kind of destroyed me, made me look like a potato man or something. But I made a video on identifying poison ivy and how it's impacted me, how I've been able to deal with it. So go check out that video. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. See you later.